Okay, guys, there's another Riververse package arrived at my shelter. So let's just get to this. I gotta do this quick. All right, my cool knife again. Apologies if I'm in a rush. Hold on, where is it? Getting distracted. Where the hell is it? Ah! Oopsies. You guys can hear me, right? Okay, wow, okay, that was easy. Quick glance at my collection. I like showing that off. Okay, this is Isom 3, by the way, so finally the third one came out. I'm excited to see how this ends. Okay. Ouch. Doing this with one hand isn't easy. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. This is a disaster. But the book came in great condition. They removed the box. Man, this book is even thicker than Zalen. Can you see it? There we go. I really gotta get a new phone. Damn, look at this. It feels like two books in one. I like it. This cover's nice. Gotta thank my friend for buying me this as a birthday gift. So if you're watching this, thank you. Got a lot of stuff for my birthday. And I love this cover. So cool. Isom 3, finally gonna finish it. The completionist in me was annoyed by having it in parts. I'm more of a one and done kind of guy. But finally, it's here. Now I finally finished Isom, the first arc of Isom. Finally. Can't wait to read it. Alright, that's pretty much it for now. Like I said, I'm in a rush, so quick show off of my collection, and I'm out. Bye.